Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you ready to jumpstart your weight loss journey while nourishing your body with wholesome, nutrient-packed meals? This 7-day clean eating meal plan is designed to help you shed those extra pounds, boost your energy, and promote overall well-being, all while enjoying delicious food. In this video, we'll walk you through a day-by-day breakdown of meals that are easy to prepare, rich in nutrients, and free of processed ingredients. Whether you're new to clean eating or looking for fresh ideas, this plan will simplify your healthy eating goals without sacrificing flavor. What is clean eating? Clean eating focuses on consuming whole, unprocessed foods as close to their natural state as possible. It means avoiding added sugars, refined grains, and artificial ingredients, while embracing fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This approach to eating helps your body function optimally, promotes weight loss, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Why this meal plan works for weight loss. Our 7-day plan incorporates balanced meals that are rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, keeping you full and satisfied throughout the day. It's not about restricting calories or eliminating entire food groups. This meal plan prioritizes nourishment and sustainability. Each meal is designed to boost metabolism with a combination of lean proteins and healthy fats. Control hunger with fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains that keep you feeling full longer. Reduce bloating with hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon that help flush out excess water, and promote fat loss with meals low in refined carbs and sugars, which helps to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce fat storage. Day-by-day breakdown. Day 1, fresh start. Breakfast. Overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a lemon tahini dressing. Dinner. Baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. And for a snack, apple slices with almond butter. Day 2, power up. Breakfast. Green smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. Lunch, turkey lemon lettuce wraps with hummus, cucumber, and bell peppers. Dinner, stir-fried tofu with brown rice and sautéed vegetables. Snack, a handful of mixed nuts. Day 3, stay energized. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Lunch, quinoa bowl with chickpeas, roasted veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil. Dinner, grilled shrimp with sweet potato and sautéed kale. Snack, Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and walnuts. Day 4, boost your metabolism. For breakfast, enjoy a smoothie bowl with mixed berries, almond butter, and flax seeds. Lunch features a chicken and avocado salad with a side of roasted Brussels sprouts. For dinner, savor lean beef stir-fry with cauliflower rice. And for a snack, munch on carrot sticks with hummus. Day 5, fresh and flavorful. Start your day with steel-cut oats topped with a dollop of Greek yogurt, flax seeds, and blueberries. For lunch, delight in a tuna salad with olive oil, lemon, and herbs, served with mixed greens. Dinner includes baked cod with roasted vegetables and a side of quinoa. And for a snack, enjoy cucumber slices with guacamole. Day 6, feel refreshed. Breakfast includes a smoothie with almond milk, spinach, pineapple, and chia seeds. For lunch, enjoy a grilled vegetable wrap with hummus and a whole grain tortilla. Dinner is grilled chicken with mashed cauliflower and asparagus. And for a snack, have hard-boiled eggs with a sprinkle of sea salt. Day 7, finish strong. Start your day with protein pancakes topped with almond butter and banana slices. Lunch is a hearty lentil soup with a side of whole grain crackers. For dinner, savor grilled salmon with a kale and quinoa salad. And treat yourself to dark chocolate squares with almonds for a snack. Tips for success: prep in advance. Spend a little time each week prepping your meals to make clean eating easier. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your metabolism and digestion. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Stick to basic, whole ingredients and switch up flavors with herbs and spices. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Portion control is key. This 7-day clean eating meal plan is not just a guide to weight loss, but also a way to reset your body and form healthy habits that you can stick to long term. By focusing on whole foods and nutrient-dense meals, you'll feel more energized, improve your digestion, and see results that go beyond the scale. Follow along with the video, and let's get started on your journey to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video informative, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.